Taking your baby on their first trip to the grocery store can be an exciting yet daunting experience. As a new parent, you might be seeking advice to make this outing as smooth as possible. Here are some essential tips to guide you through this adventure. Before heading out, it's helpful to plan your trip during a time when the store is less crowded, like early mornings or late evenings. This can make the experience less overwhelming for both you and your baby. Make a list of essentials to ensure a quick and efficient shopping trip. Prepare by packing a well-stocked diaper bag. Include diapers, wipes, a change of clothes, and a few favorite toys to keep your baby entertained. A baby carrier or stroller can also be handy for navigating the aisles comfortably. Once you arrive at the store, choose a cart with a baby seat if available. Ensure your baby is securely fastened and comfortable. If your baby is fussy, try soothing them with gentle rocking or a pacifier. Remember, flexibility is key. Babies can be unpredictable, so be prepared to adapt your plans if needed. If your baby becomes too restless, it might be best to cut the trip short and try again another day. Engage with your baby during the trip. Talk to them about the different items you see and let them touch and explore safe items. This can make the experience enjoyable and educational for your little one. Handling your baby's first grocery store trip can be challenging, but with preparation and patience, it can also be a rewarding experience. Every outing is a learning opportunity, so take it one step at a time and enjoy these precious moments with your baby.